Hey everybody, welcome back to DIY and Life with Amanda. I am so excited to be back. It has been a whole year since I have uploaded any videos for y'all, and today I have some that I actually recorded last year. I recorded a bunch today, and I definitely wanted to get something up and running, so here we go. Bear with me. It's been a whole year since I've edited, since I've uploaded, since I've recorded, all that good stuff, but I hope that you like this little project. So we're going to make ourselves a little spooky mirror. This is a project that we had done a while ago, this gold frame, and so I'm just going to take it apart and repurpose it. That is the best thing we could do with all the stuff that we make when you make stuff. This is just one of those wood rounds from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to go ahead and take the hanger off, and I'm going to paint the whole thing black. So let me just catch you up here for a minute. Since I have last posted, I have gone back to work, and I have gone back to not one but two different jobs. One that was in the industry that I've done forever, which was retail, was not my jam where I ended up, and so I came across a listing for a school district hiring for lunch ladies, and I applied and I got it, and I have been doing it since November of last year, and I absolutely love it. And let me tell you guys, you know what I love the most is I had the whole summer off. Best part. Love it, love it, love it, and still get paid. It's the best. I'm in it for the retirement, so here we go. So I'm just gonna paint this, and I have this on mega speed because I don't know what I was doing, guys. Like, I was taking forever to paint this black round. But anyway, so like I said, just bear with me because it has been a hot minute since I have done any crafting, any recording, any editing, any of that stuff. So it's baby steps for me. It's like starting all over again. So I painted it black. I dried it, and then I'm taking just a light sanding to it because, you know, I love a little grittiness to it. I don't want it just to be super perfect. Besides, it's a spooky mirror, so it's got to be a little bit scruffed up. So I'm just going to take the mirror from that project, and I'm going to hot glue it to the center of my wood round here. So a little hot glue on the back here. You don't need a bunch. You can use E6000, wood glue, whatever, but hot glue worked perfect for this project. So I'm also going to be adhering the frame of the mirror to the backing as well. I had glue on it previously, so as you see here, I'm picking off the glue, and I am trying to bring down, because these are just those black framed, like, round mirrors that you could get at the Dollar Tree. So I had painted it gold previously, and so now we're just going to use a little rub and buff, and we're just going to give her a new little coat. So I have challenged myself. This is how I ended up doing this again. Not that I don't love crafting, I do, but life kind of got a hold of me for a while there, and you know, I'm just trying to figure out my work-life balance, and you know, spending time with my son. He's now in the Boy Scouts, and we've done Boy Scouting stuff, and we actually went to a summer camp for a week, which was awesome. I hiked about 50 miles, and let me just tell you, your girl is not in shape, so that damn near killed me, but we continue on. So anyways, the challenge to myself is that I am going to use up my craft supplies. Now, in the last year, I have diminished my craft supplies by 50%, gave them away. I have a friend that does has a dog rescue, and so she does yard sales 4 times a year to raise money for her rescue. And so I literally an entire truck full of stuff out of my garage, and a lot of that was craft supplies because when you do it all the time, you need a lot of stuff. But I have learned that I have slightly addiction to crafting supplies. Raise your hand if you know what that's like. So, you know, I had to get rid of half of it. So, in the interim, the goal is to not buy any more craft supplies and to make things out of the things that I currently have. Don't get me wrong, I will hit up the $1.25 tree to see out the new Halloween. I'm in Central California, so we haven't quite yet seen it yet, although they do guarantee that it's supposed to be out by the 25th. So I will be going tomorrow, and I will be checking out my Dollar Tree to see what they got. On that lovely note, so this is a pick from the Dollar Tree from last year. You know, just one of their little spooky picks. So we have the Mirror Gold. I just dry brushed a little black on it. I have the pick from the Dollar Tree. This is all Dollar Tree stuff. And I am just pulling it apart. I was going to try to like cut it. I don't know why I was going to do that. It just pulls apart super easy. And yay, you can see my camera overhead. So I literally am going to play with this. And I am going to figure out some kind of arrangement of how I want the flowers. So even those little lime greeny ones, those are from the Dollar Tree. The little pick was from the Dollar Tree. Gotta love the Dollar Tree. So, gosh, these glue strings drive me crazy. And they kept getting all over the mirror and it was driving me nuts. And I was burning my fingers at this point. And so eventually I get smart here and I use the back of a paintbrush to push these things down. It was ridiculous. I was like burning myself. Today I burned myself in a project that I made. And I can't wait to show you guys the new stuff. I just wanted to get something out there so you know that I'm back and I'm going to be posting content. I know it's July and I'm posting Halloween stuff. But like I said, Halloween is out in the other states already. It's just hitting California and has to be out by the 25th. So if you see anything that I'm making or, you know, have the ideas of stuff that I'm making that you can use Dollar Tree items for, this is going to be the time for you to grab those things. So you're going to find fall and Halloween at Dollar Tree at the same time. And if you don't get it early, then you won't get it at all. That's just how it works. So I know it seems early, but you know, Halloween's my favorite. I used to decorate for every holiday and now I don't. I decorate for Halloween. After I pull Halloween down, I transition to, quotes in the air, winter, because I'm not allowed to put Christmas up yet until my husband has his turkey. So I do winter, which is just trees, nothing that says Christmas, nothing that, no sleighs, no, you know, I mean, no Santas, no anything like that. So just a bunch of, you know, like pine trees and lights and stuff like that. And then after my husband has his turkey, then we go right into Christmas. And that's the only holidays I decorate for anymore. Of course, for you guys, I will do, you know, featured holiday stuff. But let's be honest, guys, this is a lot of stuff. And I've given a lot of stuff away. So I just want to kind of stay true to myself and do the things that bring me joy, because that's what this year has been about for me, is doing things and that bring me joy. So I'm rambling on because, as you can see here, this is quite the lengthy process. This is sped up quite a bit. And the video is still going to be decently long because it's like, oh my gosh, so much different stuff. And you know me, I can't just leave well enough alone. I have to go extra on top of that. So this video is for you guys, just to let you know, hey, I'm back. It's something that I did, like I said, last year. It's super cute. I kind of felt like Haunted Mansion vibes almost with the colors. Which is, oh my gosh, I totally want to decorate my whole house Haunted Mansion theme. Let me know in the comments down below what your style of decorating for Halloween is. Do you have a theme? Do you just throw it out there? Do you do spooky? Do you do whimsical? I'm not into scary movies, so I keep mine pretty lighthearted and fun. But yeah, I'd love to know what kind of styles that you guys decorate in. I really want to work on doing some stuff outside, you know, that kind of stuff. So even these little berries right here, these picks, they are definitely from the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just going to keep like fluffing. So I added the little foam pumpkins that I cut in half. I add the little beads that came from the pick there. I'm using the back of my paintbrush to push things down once I have the hot glue in there because man, oh man, was I burning my fingers. But I think this is so cute. So I go ahead and add the little jack-o'-lantern faces, just to give it a little extra. I love the color. The orange looks really good in there with the purples and the green and the black. So I think this came out super cute. I'd love to know what you guys think about it. I did give it away to someone after I made it. I honestly thought that I had uploaded the video or saved pictures of it, and I didn't. So, you know, here we are. So this is just where, you know, you just do what makes your little heart happy and what you like. I definitely felt like it needed some little bejeweled spiders, again, from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna cut the ring part off because they're like little spider rings, and then just glue those down because everything needs a little bit of sparkle. I think that with the little glitter and the little gems, super cute. And then this is that fern that we pulled off the original project, and I just thought I'd add a little gold like peeking around the outside to kind of go with the gold in the mirror. I think, yeah, this is super cute. I just didn't want to waste anything. I wanted to get use out of everything. I have such a hard time getting rid of stuff. So, you know, when I was telling you my story of how I donated a bunch of my stuff, like that was quite the movement for me. But I'm tired of my garage being full of projects that never get done, or, you know, an excessive amount of craft supplies. Because, you know, when it was truly the Dollar Tree, guys, I used to spend $100 at a time when I'd walk in there. Ever since it went up a quarter, granted things are cooler, but I just don't spend as much money in there as I used to. So I decided to add a little bit of hot glue around the inner circle of the mirror, just to kind of give it more of a little spooky look to it. And then I wanted to add the rub and buff as well to that hot glue, and this is it. I hope you guys love this and try something like this, because this was pretty easy. It was pretty cost effective, definitely under $10 to make this. And I had it up all Halloween last year. I absolutely loved it. And when it was time to take it down, I was sad, but I knew that I was going to be making more stuff this year. So I gifted it to a friend, and she loves it now too. So I'm so excited to be back. I hope that you guys are excited that I'm back too. And make sure to comment, like, share, all that good stuff. And I will see you again very soon.